How to rent movies on Prime Video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can rent movies on Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to rent movies on Prime Video, it's very simple. Open up the Prime Video app and make sure that you're logged into your account. First thing to keep in mind is you can't rent just any movies out there, because only the movies that Amazon allows you to rent are available for renting. For others, you might have to take a subscription. So after you open the Prime Video app and log in, you can just come to the store tab over here, and here you can see different sort of options that you can see for rent or buying, for rent and so on. So if I want to select a certain movie and I want to rent it versus I want to actually buy it, so I can just tap on the rent option here. Then once I tap on the rent option, I'll be able to go ahead and then basically rent that particular movie or whatever else it is that I have here. So this way I'll be able to go ahead and then basically rent movies on Prime Video. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.